nomads. So I'm up early today and I'm waiting for Jesse to pull around with the car because we are driving to West Ireland this morning. So for the remainder of our time in Ireland, we rented a car and drove west towards the famed Cliffs of Moher, to the natural beauty of Burren National Park, and to the musical town of Galway. Welcome to the Cliffs of Moher, which is a beautiful site right on the west coast of Ireland that has a view of the ocean from these beautiful green cliffs. Unfortunately today it's pretty foggy, so you can't really see the puffins and the whales in the ocean that you can normally see here if you're lucky on a sunny day, but it's still a beautiful site to visit. So there's an 18-kilometer Cliffs of Moher coastal walk that extends from Hag's Head to Dublin and goes along the edge of the Cliffs of Moher and goes by the visitor center where we stopped. We walked the trail in both directions to get a view of the cliffs, but we were unable to continue that far because of unsafe conditions on the trail due to weather. The visitor center at the Cliffs of Moher actually gives you a pretty good idea of what everything looks like in fair weather, and they even have this 3-screen immersive aerial view movie of the cliffs that's pretty neat. The Cliffs of Moher are on the edge of what is known as Burren National Park. The word Burren comes from an Irish word meaning a rocky place, which is an appropriate description of Burren National Park. It is paved with limestone that was formed from sediment from a tropical ocean that covered most of Ireland approximately 350 million years ago. During our drive through the Burren region, we stopped at a place called Poulnabrone Dolmen, which is basically a Stone Age tomb marking a mass grave. This structure is made from large rocks and is an example of a portal tomb. Our final stop in our Irish road trip was to a place called Galway, which is a town that is known for, among other things, its traditional pubs that have live Irish folk music. It was pretty rainy when we got to Galway, but that didn't stop us from searching for the perfect little pub with great live music.
They wander mountains did hide. The Polish Republic laid a hold, were outlawed on the moor. Side by side they fought and died in the valley of Knockdown.
Well, that is it for our travels in Ireland, but I still have some interesting travels coming up. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when new videos are available. Until next time, bye!